Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I wasn't going to do a third video on this, but I thought it was pretty important to finish this. And let me just get kind of set up here. I'm going to nudge these over so I can group this together, Control G. Then I can nudge these right back. And I'm going to go ahead and grab this one, holding down the shift. Well, what I have to do is grab that one and go to Object, Group, and Ungroup. Now that's still a group. So I can hold down my Shift key and grab that one, hold down Shift, grab that one, and grab that one. And I'm gonna, before I've done that, I should have made my nudge 3.6. So we're holding down the Shift again, and then we're gonna Control D and make a duplicate. And there we go. We can just keep going as far as we want to with that. And we've got those rhinestone placements equally. And there's a lot you could do with that. You know, you could put a few more in there before you duplicate it. Then the real reason for the video, I started thinking, this is that exact duplicate of what we did. So what we could do is, let's zoom in here a little bit. Ungroup it, and then select like half of them. Well, let's select this half. So let's take these and select all those and hit delete. I didn't quite get that one row. And then let's group this, Control G. Now I probably moved it a little bit, but it fits right in that spot. It's a little bit off. So we're going to change our nudge factor to 0.001. We're going to grab on our item. And if you hold down your Shift key, they'll go a little bit faster. And just get it where the rhinestones aren't touching any of those items. And you could rearrange this, but that way you could put this, Control D, and actually mirror it. And holding down the control button, we'll move it to this side. I must have mirrored it the wrong direction. And then we'll bring it in a little closer, holding down the control button so it's kind of equal. Then zoom in. And you could do that to all the corners. We've still got our nudge factor set on something low, so we can nudge that at. And then if you remember from the very first video, I made these rings. We can just go to Object, Group, and Ungroup, and then grab that ring and just delete it. Now you have the placement of the rhinestone. I think it looks a little better. You know, if you put a few more up in here and here before you made duplicates, I think that would make that project complete. And I think in the long run, it would look better than this, where these are just sporadically put in there. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.